gonna show you how to fasten the drum in the right way. I've got my two chains, my drainage, and my wire to pull the chain. I've got two satans here. So let me start showing you how to operate. Put your wire first. Put your chain so that you can pull the chain. Pull this one out. The other one on the opposite side, but chain balance it nice and tight. And I put the second chain, okay? If I'm tightening one drum, I have to make my chain cross X like this so that one chain can balance the drum. Because if you put the holes, it's like C, the chains will become one. If chain one loose, then the drum will give you the problem. So you rather put X so that everything is tight. So now it's kept down.
All that